Loving this double toaster. I know I'm not ready to buy a coffee maker, but I'ma still look. And I also want to try the Myers all-purpose cleaner. And then they have these giant Dawn dish soaps and some Charmin. I love these wooden spoons with the white spatulas. And also this bamboo print cup. Okay, I understand that groceries are high, but movie tickets are expensive. Let me look for some lip gloss because my lips are super chapped. Do I have any lip gloss? I know I put some in here. I have my stained lipstick. I always gotta carry me some good chapstick because my lips be getting chapped. Tastes like mint. Some dental office chapstick. Speaking of dental office, I think I need to go to the dentist tomorrow. I think I may do that because I need to get my teeth checked. Yeah, I checked the movie theater tickets and I'm like, yeah, I'll have to catch that movie on a good day. Like when, you know, they're having like a cheap movie deal, because I'm like, it's not that serious, okay? Then I gotta prepare for Florida and all that good stuff. And it's crunch time right now too, because I'm gonna be looking online for a new house over in Florida. So I have other plans going on. That's why when y'all saw me in the previous vlog, I was online looking at, you know, new houses over there in Florida because like it's time. I'm ready to get a kick on it and start my journey to get ready to move. You get what I mean? And that's why I kind of like cut back a lot on traveling, because y'all know traveling can be expensive. You guys spend money. You can find good travel deals like $200 round trip ticket with hotel and stuff. But what I'm saying is I'm not traveling a lot like I used to, and I'm glad I cut back. But yeah, I'm gonna have to cut back on spending and traveling a lot because I'm planning to move to Florida. Now, I know I said that I may live in Florida for like a few days, like 4 days, and then come back here to Utah. I may still do that, but I don't think I'm gonna do it as often as I said I was gonna do it before in my other video when I mentioned, yeah, I'm gonna stay a week in Florida and then come and stay a week here when I have to work. I may not do it like that. I may go stay in Florida every other 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, just some little changes gonna be going on with me. And yeah, I'm so happy I was able to pick up the camera today and vlog and give y'all a little extra resetting vlog because I love my extra resets, okay? Went to that store, browsed those kitchen essentials like that toaster. I love that toaster. I used to have a toaster that was that big, but it wasn't a stainless steel toaster like this toaster right here. But I love a huge toaster like that. But I need kitchen space, you know, before I purchase a, you know, toaster like that. Because before, when I had that big size type of toaster, I had it on my counter. It was taking up a lot of space. Anywho, I need to get a coffee maker. That's why I was looking at that coffee maker, okay? And then did y'all see the pictures with the engraved pick art? I loved it so much, okay? But maybe one of these days when I move, I'll buy like some wall pick art like that. So I love to stay inspired. I love to window shop. I love to look at things in the store and be like, okay, I'm gonna buy this one day. Okay, they have the Myers hand soap, the Myers dish soap, right? And the Myers cleaning all-purpose spray. I want to try the Myers stuff one of these days. Maybe one of these days I'll go and purchase some Myers products, okay? Because every time I go into any store that sells Myers products like the hand soaps and all-purpose cleaner. I'm always looking at the product, but I never buy it. I mean, $4.99 is not a bad price compared to $10, you know. But yeah, so I gave y'all like a little idea of like things that I plan to purchase. And you know, that plastic cup with the bamboo branches painted on it. I love that type of style, especially for the summer, like if you have a barbecue. Yeah, so that was my Sunday reset for today. Not doing too much of anything, catching the bus, taking a little walk, embracing the natural, beautiful air outside, and just enjoying the day. Although it was raining last night and the night before, but the day turned out so beautiful. And even when it was raining, the day was still beautiful. But yeah, I just wanted to enjoy this Sunday and just get outside for a little bit, because I know the day before I didn't go anywhere, okay? But yeah, it was so nice going outside just to see people out on the corners with their little hot dog machines making hot dogs, and they have the whole block smelling like fried hot dogs. It's just nice. And then when I went in the store, it was millions of people in the store, okay? Somebody almost hit me with a basket, you know? Then I could not find any plants. Like, all the plants were sold out. But then now I think about it, Mother's Day is right around the corner, right? So maybe people are just buying up plants. But anywho, I'm gonna keep this short. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. It's a mini vlog, but I just wanted to get y'all some content up, an extra resetting Sunday vlog. This is a bonus vlog. Anywho, if y'all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It would help me out a lot here on YouTube. And if you also enjoy the content that I upload here on my mini YouTube channel, please feel free to subscribe, because a lot of my viewers, y'all are not subscribed. So if you enjoy my content, just subscribe, feel free. And also leave me a comment down below on what y'all thought about the video today, like on the kitchen appliances and stuff, and also how your day went. Just let me know and I will try my best to respond. Talk to you later. Bye.